This is a 1980 Emerson blender fan slash heat fan, ceiling fan, and I got this fan from Chandru, Charles Smith on Facebook, or Andrew. This fan is the super rare 36-inch variant without the switch housing K63 fiberglass, which is a lot to say, but they made so many of these with different blades, motors, switch housings, that I have to say all of that. So this fan I got from a trade of trading a Century antique 36-inch, and the fans I got from it was this fan and a Newtone light kit, the Florida light kit, and I've been searching for one of these for a long time because this is my favorite variant, and it's also a childhood because a local laundromat near me has three of them. They're still there. Three of these at this like a foyer thingy that the main part of the ceiling is pretty low, but this part of the ceiling was like 20 feet high, and they were hanging at different heights and at different levels. Three of these 36-inch ones, and they were at the big window, so that was a super weird and cool install. So these are one of my favorite fans, and this is my absolutely favorite variant because these just look so cute. And when I got it, it wasn't in good shape, I can tell you that. And the blades had a bunch of paint on them. If you want to see the original video with this fan not being restored, it's on Chandru's page, Chandru's YouTube channel, which is Charles Smith, and you can see how pretty rough it was. But I got the paint off the blades with acetone, and I repainted the top and the bottom a bit, and it now looks decent. It's okay to my standards. So we're going to start this fan low. Three fiberglass blades. K63 motor, 1.0 amp K63 motor. This is the second blender fan that I have. The other one is a 52-inch with K63 with switch housing, plastic blade, Universal series. The difference between the Universal series and the heat fan is that the Emerson Universal series is marketed for home use, and they have a different model number. So this one is HF, and that one was UF, I think. Which means, I think it's the Universal series. Yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's on the Casablanca 4-speed control. Medium. And it gives off a pretty good range of speeds. It wobbles on the 2 medium speeds. And I will have a cap for the bottom coming soon from Chandru. Already moving a bunch of air. These fans are great, super powerful air movers, but their motors just get so hot that if you run it a long time on high, it actually kind of burns your hands. So now speed medium high or speed 3. Very powerful, moving tons of air. There's a local Ace near me that has 5 of these installed in a row, and the 6th one is in the back, and they are all K63 without switch housing, 3-blade fiberglass, and this is very similar to that. So I love these fans. I've seen these everywhere, and all of them I've seen all had fiberglass. And most of them are 3-blade ones. And now high. Super powerful fan because it's a industrial. I wouldn't really consider these industrials, but they are. I don't consider them as industrials because they don't have metal blades. I consider these as commercial fans. Super powerful, and you cannot reverse these either. So now spin down. It's on a Hunter mounting bracket, Hunter U-boat. And it's just a really nice fan. This fan came from a auto shop. There are 2 of these, but Chandru only rescued 1, which is this one. And they're installed in a pretty cool location too. He saved this from the dumpster, which is really nice. These fiberglass blades are pretty interesting, and I kind of only like the fiberglass blade ones, but if I got the plastic blade one, I would probably sell it. But I'm keeping the one that Jeff gave me because that was a Christmas present. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!